Welcome to Health Matters with me, Village Doctor. Today, I want us to clarify or learn the difference between infection and disease. Most of the cases, we try to mingle, interchange when we want to use infection for disease and when we want to use disease for infection. So today, I want us to clarify the difference between infection and disease. An infection occurs when microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, fungi, and parasites invade the body and multiply. They often cause damage to tissues and organs. Not all infections cause symptoms, and some may be asymptomatic. So we are saying that infection occurs when there is invasion of microorganisms in the body. So the moment microorganisms, that's the disease-causing organisms, enter your body, that's the time that we call, that's the process that we call infection. And a disease refers to a condition that results from an abnormality in the body structure or function. A disease refers to a condition that results from an abnormality in the body structure or function and is often characterized by specific signs and symptoms. A disease can be caused by a variety of causes or factors, including infection, genetic mutation, environmental factors, and lifestyle choices. So a disease is a result of something causing the body to function abnormally or something causing the body to function differently from the way it is expected. And this factor can be genetic, this factor can be environmental factors, this factor can be lifestyle, or it can be caused by infections. That's the virus, the bacteria, the fungi, and the parasites. So you see that disease is a result of activities of some factors, including infection. But infection is the moment microorganisms, these organisms, that's the parasite, the fungi, the virus, enter the body, they invade the body, and they start to cause damage to the body tissue, to the organs. Then we call it infection. There may be signs and symptoms, or there may not be signs and symptoms. That's asymptomatic. So infections are different from diseases. So the symptoms of this infection can range from mild to severe or mild to moderate. So infections can give you symptoms as we stated earlier on, and they can grow or range from mild to moderate. Microorganisms can cause an infection in different parts of the body, such as the skin, the lungs, the urinary tract infection, the bloodstream. So the infections, this infection, when they enter your body, they can go to the blood, they can go to your skin, they can go to any part of the body, as the tissues and the cells. So we call them infection. And their symptoms can go from mild to moderate or severe. So some of the symptoms include the redness, swelling, fever, pain, and discharge. So infections can give you symptoms like discharges. Infections can give you pain, it can give you redness, can give you inflammation. That's what we call swelling. It can give you redness, it can give you fever. A disease, on the other hand, is a condition that affects the normal function of the body. And disease can be caused by many factors, as we stated earlier on. A disease can also have a wide range of symptoms and can vary in severity, depending on the situation, the duration, and the treatment. Some examples of diseases are cancer, diabetes, heart diseases, arthritis, osteoarthritis, and etc. So diseases are as a result of infection or other factors, and infection are as a result of the activities of the invasion of virus, parasite, fungi that has entered your body. Thank you. This is Health Matters with me. You can call me Village Doctor. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, I'll be very happy. Your comments are welcome. Your questions are welcomed. Follow us for more videos. Thank you for watching.